Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to reset your iPhone's home screen layout. Feeling like your iPhone's home screen is a mess? Maybe you have added too many widgets, changed app icons or lost track of which apps lives there. Or maybe you want to revert to the clean, simple layout you had when you first turned on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first I'm going to tell you how to reset the home screen layout on an iPhone. If your iPhone's home screen is looking chaotic, this is an easy way to bring back order in a single tap. You don't need a computer, iTunes or iCloud for this, just your iPhone and a few taps. For this, open settings on your iPhone. Next, tap general. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and choose reset home screen layout. And then tap on reset home screen again to confirm. And you are done. If you don't want to lose your current layout or just want a cleaner look, here is couple of ways to declutter your iPhone's home screen without hitting reset. You can hide pages. Sometimes it's not about the apps but how crowded the pages feel. Hiding a few pages can give you a cleaner experience instantly. For this, long press on any empty space on the screen until the apps jiggle. And then tap the page indicator row of dots above the dock. Uncheck the pages you want to hide and then tap done at the top. You can bring the hidden pages back anytime with the same steps. Next, remove apps and widgets from the home screen. Another way to clean up your iPhone's home screen is to remove apps and widgets. Without deleting them, you can still access everything from the app library or by using Spotlight search. For this, long press on an app icon and then choose remove app and then choose remove from home screen and you are done. I hope this video will help you to reset your iPhone's home screen layout, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.